In this lesson, we are going to talk about rounding of whole numbers. The procedure to round a whole number. The first step is to identify the round-off place digit. What I mean by the round-off place digit is, what place are you wanting to round off to? After we identify the round-off place digit, we need to look at the digit to the right of the round-off place digit. So we need to look at the one to the right. And then we have two things that we want to identify. The first thing is it less than 5? If it is less than 5, we do not change the round-off place digit. Notice that I'm looking at the round-off place digit. If the place digit to the right of the round-off place digit is 5 or more, we increase the round-off place digit by 1. Then we replace all digits to the right of the round-off place digit with zeros. So let's look at some examples. Here we're looking at the number 73,682, and we want to round this to the nearest thousand. So first, let's look at what number is in the thousand position. Well, that is the 3. So this is our round-off digit. Then we have to look at the number to the right. This number is 5 or more. Therefore, we need to add 1 to our round-off position, giving us a 74, and making everything else to the right 0. So we now have changed or rounded 73,682 rounded to 74,000. Let's look at an example. We have 7,924,083, and we want to round to the nearest the nearest 100,000. So in this case, we're rounding to this position, the 100,000. So we look at the number to the right, and that number is less than 5. So we leave the round-off position alone, the place alone. And so we're going to get 7,900,000 and change everything else to zeros. So we have now rounded our 7,924,083 to 7,900,000. And this is how we round. The biggest key is making sure that you look to the right of the round-off position and ask yourself, is it 5 or more? If it's less than 5, you leave it alone. If it's 5 or more, you increase the number.